Hi, today in front of me Realme GT2 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. If you want to activate or turn off the don't disturb mode, you should tap once on the switcher. We can also set the schedule, the start, the end time of the don't disturb mode. If you want to allow the notifications, calls, or messages from just someone, anyone, just start contacts from contacts, you should just do it here by select one from these available options. And to use D&D mode in just in silence mode, or just to use the rings for repeated calls, we should use the swatchers. Let's go back. If you want to change sound mode to vibration or silent mode, just select one from these available modes. To change the media ringtone notifications or alarm ringtones, we should just slide to the left or to the right side as volume panels. Also, we can change ringtone and notification sound, to activate or turn off the vibration on ring mode, and to change vibration intensity on ring vibration notification intensity. So just by change them, we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots. In haptics and tones, we can turn on or turn off vibration on touch, and to change the haptic intensity of this option, and to turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot deletion sounds, fingerprint animation sounds, and touch sounds, we should tap on the switchers. Let's go back. Also, we can use the Dolby items here, and in advanced settings we will see the volume button function, so we can change media from ringtone to ringtone volume, and now with the help of the volume buttons we'll change the ringtone volume, now the media one. Also, we can switch the default recorder from auto select to add-on, and to use in-ear monitoring option. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.